Hey, Susan Palmer of Lead Cat Press here. This is my studio update. And this week I want to do something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you just a couple performances that I created throughout the week. And I guess my intention is to show you that I'm not just a teacher, but I also play. I know once I put that teacher hat on, a lot of my a lot of the passion that I have for playing music gets channeled into helping students develop their skills. So that involves creating a clear plan for them to learn the fundamentals of music, holding them accountable, and applying what they learn to the music that they want to play. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun to share some of the things that I'm interested in playing and what I enjoy, and hope you enjoy it too. Thanks. Does your guitar teacher ask you what you want to do at the beginning of every lesson? That might mean that they don't have a plan for you. I had a teacher who would always ask me what I wanted to do, and it always felt kind of strange to me because I was like, you're the guitar expert. I just want to become a good guitar player, so you should be able to tell me all the things I need to know to be able to reach my goals. When I started teaching, I asked myself what I thought a guitar player should know after about 5 years of lessons. And I created the curriculum that I used while I was teaching at Seattle University. It's also found in my Guitar Method book series. My advice is to find a teacher who can assess where you're at, offer you a clear plan, and hold you accountable to achieving your goals. My other bit of advice is to find a teacher who really cares about guitar and really cares about you.